Now, what I don't like, I know that this dashboard is not really the best one because we have uh, many stuff that it's not shown really good even here. So what we can do, we can start to delete some stuff that's related to the calculated visual. We have delete 100%. I will put this a little bit much better. I will delete the drink filter, or I would use it in a different way. Let's go to the visual. Yeah, we have to change the format. It's from effect. Okay, this is just okay, the slicer, and then we can change it from select one, can put select all, and then for the count values or for the layout, yes, this is for the layout. We did not want to see it as card. Yeah, but this is not really okay. Let's make it. I think because of the type of the visual, that one we don't need that one because it takes too much space. For the moment, let's make it just a normal slicer. Okay, so that one, we don't need too many stuff to do, but we can initially do. I will not work too much on the design, but let's improve it a little bit. So I will put everything like this. I will use the slicer. I'll put it here, make it a little bit smaller. Also the measure parameter, I will put it in the left. So we have all the slicers on the left. Let's make this here. And then what we can do with those ones, can leave, okay, can move it all together. Then we can, for the view, for the format, and from format we can just align it, align it to the middle. Okay, make it all down, align it to the center. Okay, it's all inside. Okay, I will start to move it one by one. Okay, we can make this as well the same size as the previous one. Now those ones should be also aligned. Still, it's not perfectly aligned, but we'll put also this beside the other slicers. Okay, so to save space, for now we don't have, as you can see, we don't have too much space. So what I would do for now, I will change it to make it like this format. As you can see, this one is a list and it saves too much price. So I will make all of them as a list. We'll go to the field, slicer, vertical, so drop down. Okay, and now we would have more space. Would be much better. Would have more space. See, this one was not selected when we were doing the formatting. So again, I would do this one, drop down. Okay, this one as well. Also for the measure. So now it's not the best. At least is much better than before because it was a visual over the other. So we can put just this down here, and this is what we can see as values before choosing the selector that we have created. As well as this one was just when we were explaining the prices, but we don't really need all of that. To make it much better, we can even delete it for now, or we can just put the price, we can put the selector and the values, and it will be much better. For the price, I can put the prices. Okay, because it's a value, we can't put it, but okay, I can delete the prices. And for now, I can, for the dimension selector, it can be much better for the dimension. So if we put a drink, if we put store, if it changes, this one does not change because we don't have any value. We have to add a value, something like we can put also revenue. And yeah, this is like the dimension value, and it will not work. As you can see, the dimension value does not work on the value because it's a dimension that changes the fields, and what we should put it either on the column or on the rows. So we can put it just here, can delete the price group, or we can put it just to the column. And yeah, now we can see it does not too much sense to put the group price on the, I will keep it just here as a, okay, it does not too much make sense. You can just put this one beside a prices, so we can maybe put it here. It makes sense to connect it with those. So when you look at those drive, these prices, we could see their category. So let's put here the price, yeah, the price category, which is the group, and we can also put it as a tooltip, or also we can put it as a size. But for size, I think you should have it as a value, because otherwise it would not change the size here. Now it has changed a little bit, but it's not too much. I think it does not make too much sense. So here, if we go again, and if we look latte, we can see the standard of a price based on the category. Again, it's a standard. Espresso should be economical. Okay, I can't, because okay, just economical, I can just modify it. Economic, I can just. Okay, so we can just also have this one, which is too much slow. Yeah, it's a little bit big. So what we can do to make a quick design style, to organize it much better, we can go to view, and from here we have some themes that it could improve the visual that we have, something like this, or we have solar. Also, this one is not, it's not bad. You can choose many themes from here. This is also not bad. Yeah, what I like about this, that it has a smaller text, so it gives me more space. I can organize much better. Okay, for this, to make all of them the same, we can choose all of them, and we can go to the dimension. We can choose also the value to change the value that we have. But for now, can visual call out value, and from here also we can choose the option to change the dimension of the visual. Yeah, priorities. So this is from here, from general, and then as you can see now, we can change the heights and make all of them in the same way. So let's make the height a little bit less. Let's make it 90. Okay, and for the weight, let's make it 170. So all of them will be the same. I have to change all. I have to choose all of them again. Say this is 90, and this is 170. Now all of them have the same value. Again, I can't catch them all. And yeah, the alignment, it could help you to align. So align middle, distribute horizontally. As you can see now, it's faster to distribute them. And those small changes, they make big changes on the style of the. It's completely different. So also for those, you can put all of them for the filter. Also, we can put it as a view, and we can make them align vertically. As you can see, is completely much better to see them in this way. It's a small changes, but it's big. This one also, we can align them much better. View, and we align them vertically, so you can see this one has moved. Also this one, let's make align. Okay, because we did not choose both. So again, I'll put like this. Okay, I will keep this, but to not make confusion, I will keep it in the same line with the first graph. Now let's make, again, choose this one, and let's say it's align. It does not have, it seems that should be more than two visual to be aligned vertically. Okay, now what we can do, we can choose all of them. Okay, and now let's make align, but in this time horizontally. So as you can see, it does not too much big pork. Have to come with Ctrl Z, because what I should do, we should have to align also the sizes of those. I think we have. Okay, so we can align what we can align. We can align the same type of visual. As you can see, the size, we can't see it because it's not the same type of visual, and this is a problem. So at the moment, I will not waste too much time for doing that. We will dedicate a video completely for design, but this one just to improve a little bit what we have started just now. And yeah, we will try to make it as a little bit much better than before. For now, I'll put it like this until we have another visual in the, so a little bit smaller. Also for this one should be like this. Okay, for now you can see it's completely much better than before. And if you want to take it a little bit much better, I think we need like a little bit of a space to define the title, but you have the option to put the title up and make this a little bit down. And or you can put just here a small description or one word or two here, and put the horizontal or the vertical graphic that it could help too much in this way. So this, it would be a big help. And but now for what we have done for the size, it's completely different. We can also insert a shape to make it a little bit And you know, the new style, as you can see, most of the apps and the style, they have this rounded rectangle, which make the apps much better. And this is what we use, and this is what we can also apply up here for the visual. So let's start with this one. I will align it with those ones, make this one until the last visual that I have. For me, I would prefer to put, so now let's put this one, send back. Okay, so you see that shape makes it a little bit much better for our visual. Yep, it's, yeah, maybe I can make it a little bit wider, or it's okay also like this. Okay, now you can see the style is completely changing. What I can do as well that make a little bit of changes, that the background can make it, this is to play with the beige, so we can change the canvas or the beige information, and you can put also a photo. For now, this is the canvas setting. You can see that this is what I have. It's custom, it's not as it was before, it was that size. I make it a little bit bigger, but yeah, I think in our, I can try. I'm not sure, it might ruin our design and our alignment, but let's try, because as I have see, we started to not see some of the parts. You can see. So I will hit again Ctrl Z and not destroy the design that we have did. I will complete to put a color in background. I'm not, yeah, it should be not, maybe this one is not bad. And in order to see it now, you can't see it, so we have to change the transparency, and you can start to see the influence of the color, but it should be so much light. The more you make it, the more you can see the details that you want to see. Maybe even less. Okay, I will keep it like even 85 transparency. Yeah, a little bit of it changing, but it will not. Okay, we can also, for the moment, as you can see, all of them have this visual. We can also change it and make it this rectangle, and in order to do that, we have to play with the modification, with the settings of the actual theme. So we can say customize current theme, and we have, from here we have many stuff that we can align and we can change. So we can change the color, we can try to change also, can see we can do in the filter, in the background, as you can see. Okay, so for the visual, you have also the borders that you can play with. We can make them more visual. For the tool header, yeah, there is an option, yes, this one, to make it, yeah, we can put it, for example, 15, and now we can see that those, it will change. Now the borders will be more rectangles. Let's not put it this color, let's put this one, can put it to this one. Okay, okay, and then we have to change, okay, the border. Okay, this is the main stuff that we can do. We can play too much with the radius. For the text, yes, it's card. Okay, so let's try now. As you can see, all of them has become rectangles, and I wanted to have them, and it has more visibility in the visual. I will make it this one, just make it more. Now, as you can see, I have it changed this. It's much better than before. We have this, even this should be smaller to put it inside our visual. So again, I will choose all of them. Okay, and let's again go to the general, and then let's try to change the properties, and let's make it a little bit less than this white. So let's make it 60, even less, 55, and let's try all of them 90. They have the same size now. Should be even a little bit smaller, I think, to put them aligned a little bit. We go back to priorities, and I will put them maybe 145. It seems much better. Okay, I will move them a little bit. Now I will align them again, and just go here in the view and try to make the alignment. It would be distributed vertically. Okay, now it's much better. They are aligned inside. Can beat it a little bit centered, but it's okay. I think like this is completely much better than before. All of them have this style. For this one, we can see it is 100% because it's just by month, so we can see the result only is not very necessary at the moment, but we can see it only when we change the month. For the moment we have the number, I think it's more sense to not add the months, to have the name of the month. So I think I would put the name, the num, just to make the visual move correctly. I will put the name even before, so we can see it. February 2nd. We have this number just because we have the number up here. Okay, so now if we look at those, if we choose, for example, April is not a good example because it's the last one. If you choose March, but yeah, also April, we can see that contribution margin, or the month over month growth, it has a value. Yeah, it's a little bit much better than before in the design, but also we can go a little bit much better than this. For now, I will close the video.